Ladies and gents, smartphone design might just be about to have its biggest overhaul in a long time. The notch haters out there might also rejoice, so let's take a look at all of the details of the new phone due to be released on June the 5th, the Lenovo Z5. So let's get straight to it. Hi guys, like I said, welcome back to a brand new video. First off, before we jump into it, the giveaway that I mentioned on my about 3 videos ago, the OnePlus giveaway where I'm giving away cases, sketchbook, hats, bags, all that sort of goodness from OnePlus. That winner will be announced very soon on my Twitter account, ASBYT. So if you are interested in seeing who has won, it will probably be going live in the next day or so. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And then of course I will grab the winner's details and ship it out. It's a worldwide giveaway, so good luck. Now a lot of you guys have been asking me to do a video on it, and the notch haters out there might just be about to have the biggest news since the notch was invented in 2017, because apparently Lenovo are due to release on June the 5th a brand new smartphone which has got everybody's tongues wagging for 3 specific reasons. Now let's dive a little bit deeper, and the vice president of Lenovo has actually come out and dropped a massive leak about the latest phone on Weibo or Weibo, Webfeet. It's a social media platform in China, and apparently the 3 leaks that were given were: 1, it's going to have a 95% screen to body ratio, which straight away would be insane. If that were to be true, it is mind-blowing when you think about the actual screen to body ratio of most of the current bezel-less or as close to bezel-less smartphones that we have on the market. Now, of course, current market leaders like the likes of the OnePlus 6, the Xiaomi Mi Mix, and the Asus Zenfone as well, you know, they are all examples of how companies have tried to push the boundaries and make the phone as bezel-less as possible. And of course, we have 2 notches and we have a big bottom bezel on the Mi Mix. They're roughly around the mid 80% mark, so to jump another 10% would be huge. No bezels anywhere, pretty much, and of course, no notch. Now the notch has been there in most of the smartphones for camera, for sensors, for speakers, all of that sort of stuff. So number one, I'm skeptical, to say the least, that this is actually going to happen unless they've been working on something that nobody else has been able to work on. Obviously there has been concept phones like the Vivo phone, for example, which has the under the screen technology, and a few others that have been trying it as well, where you've got the pop-up camera and stuff like that, which to actually create a smartphone that has that function fully fledged onto the market would be questionable at best. You know, the mechanics behind it, the breakability of it. I've said that word again, breakability. Oxford Dictionary is going to have it soon. The second major leak was, of course, for the storage option of 4 terabytes. Now, let that sink in. The current biggest storage option, I think, on the market is 256, like you see with the OnePlus 6, for example, and that's the top tier version of the device. So we're talking, if my maths is correct, 16 times the actual storage than the top current phones. But the third one, the third leak, is really where I have some serious questions. 45-day battery. Now again, if they have been able to do this, I don't think many other phones on the market would stand a chance. However, it can't be possible, can it? I think what's happening is they're trying to cause buzz around the product, obviously because it is due to launch so soon, but I personally feel if they don't follow through with this now, although they may get the initial interest and buzz and hype around the product, as soon as people realise it's not what was promised, the consumers are pretty smart, and I personally think it will be damaging to the brand, but I'm not going to condemn them straight away. I will wait, of course, until the release unit has been confirmed. I can get my hands on it and see for myself. To be continued. So come June the 5th, Lenovo could either have created the smartphone that we've all been waiting for, that we've all been desperately trying to get as close to as possible in reality from concepts, or they will crash and burn in one massive lie. We will wait and see. Of course, let me know in the comment section below what you think. Are you excited for the Lenovo S? Are you excited for the Lenovo Z5? Do you believe that this is possible? Do you think that it's a massive lie? Or just, do you think it's embellishing the truth a little bit and there is some truth to it? Let me know, as always, in the comment section below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and I will sift through and try and answer as many comments and questions as I can. Like and share if you did enjoy this video and found it helpful. Subscribe and hit that little notification bell if you love news, unboxings and reviews of smartphones, Android boxes, tablets, laptops, headphones, all the latest tech stuff that you want. I also do software and app reviews as well. Pretty much daily content on this channel. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. Say ASBYT. Peace out.